Look at this. I can choose my apps with the press of a button, go between my editing suites, and edit all with the simple touch of a button. This is the Logitech MX ecosystem. Check it out. Hi, I'm Chelsea. I'm a photographer. I do wildlife portraits. I also teach photography online, and I'm a content creator. And I'm going to show you how I use the Logitech ecosystem to make my workflow more efficient and also ergonomically sound. They have innovative products that make your workflow faster, and I'm going to show you how I use it. This video is sponsored by Logitech, but before they ever reached out to me years ago, I was brought into Logitech because I had arm pain and I found this mouse, the Logitech Ergo, and it saved my arm from pain, and it also saved my sleep because I couldn't sleep at night. So when they reached out and asked me to work with them, I said, of course, I love your products, and I decided to try the suite and see how it works. Since that experience, I've been really aware that the way you have your desk set up, the products that you have can drastically impact your workflow and also how long you can work for. So it's very important. So let me take you through the Logitech system and show you how I set it up and how it works. I have to be honest with you, when I first got all of this stuff, I put off setting it up because I thought it would take a long time. And then it took a couple of minutes and it was fun and I felt silly. It all starts with the Logitech Options Plus app. Let's check it out. When you open the Logitech Options Plus app, it's going to show you the product that you got and then walk you through how to set it up in a way that's fast and easy. And you can see here, it shows you all of the buttons, how to use them, and how to customize everything. And that's the one thing about this system I like. It's highly customizable to your workflow. So I've been using it for a few weeks and I set it up. And as I'm working, I'm realizing my habits and I'm going in and updating in the Options Plus app to make it work for me. Let me show you a few things I set up with the Master for Mouse for Mac. My favorite button here is the gesture button because you click it and then it shows you every window. And if you're like me, you have like 100 windows open and you need them all. And if you close one, you're afraid you might forget what you're gonna do in your life. So this is crucial. I'm usually looking through windows and trying to figure out what I'm doing, and now I can click this, all of the windows become visible, and I can easily find the one that I'm working in. It also has this middle button, which is pretty standard. It's a scroll button, but it feels really nice and smooth. And I like this thumb dial too. So one thing that makes it ergonomic is that you're using different parts of your hand to control your mouse. And that means you're getting less stress on like one tendon or muscle in your arm and hands. So it's more comfortable. I'll also say that when you're moving the mouse, it's fast and smooth so that you're not having to move a lot to click on what you're going for on your screen. A really cool feature, I thought, what could they possibly update in a mouse? They have haptics in this mouse, which is fun and feels great. So you click on this button with haptics and it brings up an action ring that you can customize where you can quickly get to whatever features you want. What's cool is it also changes when you're in an app. So if I'm just on my home screen or in my browser window, it's going to bring up different options than if I'm in Lightroom or Photoshop. And it can be customized in every different app so that you can quickly access your fastest things. Let me show you. So first I'm going to click on Lightroom right here. And then when I'm in Lightroom, my action ring changes. If I hover over the temperature dial, I can use this thumb scroll to effortlessly control my temperature. And now you're just doing fewer actions, smaller actions, and faster actions. All of this adds up to a more efficient workflow. It's fun too, it's just fun. It's also really quiet and precise, so you're not gonna be the clicky person if you're working in an office. I work alone, so I can be clicky all I want, but you don't want to be the loud clicky person. Another cool thing is that if you get any part of the Creative Console, then you get 3 months of the Adobe Cloud, all of the apps for free. And if you get any of the other MX devices like the mouse or the keyboard, then you get 1 month for free. So you get to try out all of the Adobe Creative apps. Speaking of the Adobe apps, I'm in Lightroom now. And one thing that I like is that they make the workflow faster. So I have these photos of Kayla, I can use my thumb dial and I can scroll through if I want, or I can use this action ring and change the contrast just by hovering over it and adjusting. If you want even more creative control, you can get the dial pad and the keypad, and this is how I like to use them in Lightroom. So you can go into your library and you can use this little dial to scroll through your photos. And what's nice about it is that it's very smooth and subtle. You can adjust all of these buttons and you can program them just like the mouse. Everything is in the Options Plus app where every single button is customizable. And that's so cool because I've realized, oh, I'm doing this one action all the time. I should just program it to a button so that I don't have to go through all of the trouble of clicking and going through menus. So let me show you how I've been using it. Once I open up the Lightroom app, you can see that my keypad completely changes. It's now not general options, but it's all Lightroom options. And I've customized a few ones that I use all of the time, one being the star system. So when I go through, I like to rate. In this picture, the strobe didn't fire, so it's completely black. I give it 1 star. And you can see while I'm scrolling, I can easily just select, I want 3 stars, 5 stars, the next one, 3 stars. It's becoming a much faster culling process to just have everything under your hand and ergonomically sound. They offer this little stand where you can put your keypad on it. And I could see how this would be useful if you want to use this in a way where you're just opening up apps or opening up windows, but I actually prefer to have it right down where I'm working so that I can press all of the buttons and have them all within reach of my hand. It's much faster. It depends which apps you're going to be using and how you use your computer, but you can program it to use it however you like. Another cool thing is that it's pretty much limitless. It looks like it's just 9 buttons, but you can actually scroll through and program more pages and add more pages if you like. So you might make the first page your general edits, the second page, maybe if you do wildlife, you're using different features, the third page, maybe you're doing portraits, but you can really customize it to whatever you're doing. And like I said, I'm still customizing because I'm still realizing, oh, this is something I do all the time with portraits. I should program it to this page. It's pretty fun to use, and I have to say it's also just cool to look at. My desk looks cooler now. I recently got a compliment on my MX Keys S keyboard because someone had the same one and said that they loved it. One of the cool things about it is that it looks just beautiful. The keys are backlit and it's very pretty, and you can adjust the brightness of the backlit keys as well. But the thing that I actually like about it is the tactile experience. The keys are just nice to press. They're quiet, they have a good weight to them, so your typing experience is a little nicer. After using this keyboard, I had to use a cheap keyboard, and it was so squishy and bad. It's worth it. So they have a setup guide, and you just go to help me connect, and I'm setting up my keyboard, and it's all Bluetooth. I like that the number pad is also here on the right, so if you're a person who's typing numbers a lot, I am, it makes it a lot faster than having to go to the top and find each number. Everything is right under hand, and that's kind of, you know, the important thing of this whole setup. It's putting everything you use all the time right under your hand so that you can quickly and efficiently use it. Logitech really thinks about the user experience, and they like to make things simple. So they have USB-C charging, and then they also have a light that shows when your keyboard battery is low. I appreciate that. I've had keyboards that just die without any warning, and then you have to plug them in and keep them plugged in. So that's a really great feature. So the MX ecosystem really speeds up my workflow and makes my desk look more beautiful for sure. And I just like the way that things feel and work. The Options Plus app is actually fun. I find myself going in and customizing over and over again just because it's an enjoyable experience. It's not that expensive either. You can see here the Creative Console is about $200. I think that's the most fun part, though the keyboard and the mouse are the most practical, but I like that part the best, and I didn't think that I would. If you want to check it out, I put a link down in the description below. Thank you, Logitech, for making these and for sending them to me, and I'll see you next time. Nice.